4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание, урок 31, часть 1, страница 68-69. English Starlight for homework. Lesson number 31, part number 1, page number 68-69. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 68. 68. The stone flower. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Hard, soft, servant. Послушай, покажи картинки и проговори слова. Hard, soft, servant. Listen and read the story. Послушай и прочитай историю. Danila finishes the vase and shows it to the other craftsmen. They think the vase is wonderful, but Danila is not pleased with it. He says this vase does not have any living beauty. When you look at a flower, your heart fills with happiness because of its beauty. Stone is hard and cold and does not have such beauty. Prokopich tells him, don't say that. You don't want to become a servant of the mistress of Copper Mountain. Her workers live and work in the mountain, and nobody ever sees them. Once long ago, I was lucky enough to see their work. Danila's eyes light up. Oh, tell me, what was it like? Amazing, answers Prokopich. These workers understand the beauty of stone because they know all about the stone flower. After that, Danila goes to the woods all the time. He wants to find the perfect stone to make a vase of his own. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 69. 69. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and complete the sentences. Прочитайте заново историю и закончите предложение. The answer. Number 1. Craftsman. Hot. Hard. Cold. Servant. Perfect. Danila finishes the vase and shows it to the other craftsman. When you look at a flower, your heart fills with happiness. Stone is hard and cold and does not have such beauty. You don't want to become a servant of the mistress of Copper Mountain. Danila wants to find the perfect stone to make a vase of his own. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Find the words. Найди слова. The answer. Servant. Servant. Was. Was. Excited. Hard. Soft. Plant. Mountain. Woods. Dreamer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. It's wonderful, amazing. The vase is marvelous. It's fabulous, amazing. Danila's a genius. It has no life. It's cold and hard. It's just a piece of stone. It has no heart. It has no soul. This vase is not the one. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.